Hello? Okay. I'll stop it here. Uh,
Má ti sọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́nu wá jẹ́ gbà wọ́n báyìí. Ọba tó sùn náà lèèyàn tó lè gbá lọ. Ó jọ.
ẹ pé kí ni fún un ṣáájú dúdú bèbí.
Sí ibi ìjà ó dàbí kó tún wọn kí ìfẹ́ tuntun mo wá kó rí review ní orí ẹ̀ létí mi wọ́n ní ẹ bí ọba ṣe fún ọmọ tó ọmọ àwọn ọmọ tó bá less than 5 years ó máa affect wọn níbi sọ̀rọ̀ wọn kò jẹ́ káwọn míì tètè sọ̀rọ̀ má lọ.
nǹkan ló jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ máa ètè máa sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ẹ̀rọ àwọn ọmọ tó ti pè wọ́n yàtọ̀ tí ń gbé lọ sí crèche ń sìn. àwọn ọmọ tó ti pè fọ àwọn tó ti pè tí wọ́n ti pè pé mọ́ irú ọ̀rọ̀ pàdé mi gbé ẹ̀rọ ìtajà máa ń ṣe.
ṣebí fóònù
irú girlfriend kan tó lè pàdé máa ń ṣe business picnic kan ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe pé wọ́n yẹ last year December ó ti wà fresh ó ti ẹ bá ló ṣe ń ka 1 2 3 lẹ́yìn ìdáwọ́ tó dé ọdún kọ̀ọ̀kẹ́ àtọ́kíládé àbátí ìka ọkàn ni ọdún kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe mo fún wa ní bó ṣe ṣe jẹ́ lóṣù.
mo ṣe lè tọ́ọ̀dù tí ìbílẹ̀ rẹ̀.
ok.
mo sákẹ́tẹ̀lé òṣìṣẹ́ mi. ẹ bọ́ ọgbọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí àyè tó wà bẹ̀rẹ̀.
sọ́kẹ́tì kan wà bẹ̀rẹ̀.
méjì àyè méjì ló wà bẹ̀rẹ̀. ó máa gba tutorials ó jẹ́ tutorials máa bá ó máa gba system àti fóònù yìí.
níbo ni ìyẹn wà.
ẹ bá ti sún ẹ sún báyìí. kí ló wàá fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ gbà mú ìwà ń sùn nìyẹn lórí àdúrà. Láàbò sì máa ní kẹsùn. Stop it. Máa bẹ̀ o. Stop. Wọ́n jẹ́ lọ. Yà lọ ní stop rẹ̀. Ó gbọ́wọ́ sí i ọ̀rọ̀. Ìrọ̀wọ́.
ẹ jẹ́ bá ní iye ti láptọ̀pù náà máa wọ ní.
tó tí wọ́n bá gbé ẹ wò ṣé ìwà kò lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀.
because ẹ máa pé orílẹ̀ èèyàn ní mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó sí.
káì wàá tẹ̀ o.
ó ti wà òkè báyìí.
ẹ̀yin pé ó kọ́ obìnrin ti lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí lọ. orí àzìmọ́ àìgbóyà alex bush kàtó ṣáájú dúdú olówó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló mú fáànù kẹ́ wá gbà.
ó yá ṣáájú dúdú bèbí 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 bèbí ṣáájú dúdú. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to this session. If you can hear me, just click I can hear you under the comment section, please. Let me know. If you can hear you under the comment section so that we can continue. If you can hear me, just type I can hear you under the comment section. Yeah, Ayobola, thank you. Good afternoon. How are you? Okay, all right, no problem. Thank you so much. So, like I told you yesterday, we actually have a little bit issue yesterday. It's not even an issue, but that's the market wait for you. We wait for the test, and the market did not give us that test. So today, I'm looking at the market. I'm expecting market to create a pulse and sell from this particular zone here. Azuma, just 1 minute, please. Ejo, ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Socket tó ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Yeah. So just like I was saying, I'm expecting the market has created a pulse, but there is one thing that the market is creating here. So now let me explain something to you. Just a minute. Let me share the link all over there. I know you too. Like I said, please let me share the link. Let's invite more people to join this live session. Let's do that within the 5 minutes. So you can continue.
No, let's just put it. I'm not going to play with him.
You know. Just share the link. Share the link. If you have done that, let me know. Just type I've shared under the comment section. Share the link. Share the link. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. Let's continue. And like I told you, like I said, actually I've entered a buy market here. I get my point, but market gave me a false signal this morning. I getting my point. To be sincere with you, I don't know what really happened to me this morning. I wanted to take a buy market, a sell market. So, but what I took on my real account is a what's it called a buy market. I've taken a buy because I've seen my what's it called my trading analysis to play out, and I see he like he gave me this engulfing. So I enter after this engulfing. So like this now, I'm actually on a drawdown now. I get my point. So, but you can't compare yourself to me. Actually, take a small risk because I know all this trade I'm taking this today is going to be under a risk because there are news coming out, which is not something is if I really know much about them. Are you getting my point? So, but like I say, one thing this market I've done one particular thing that I don't like, so which is giving me cover, which is changing my bias that this market might sell. I might have my stop loss to be hit on my account. I might have my stop loss to be hit on my account. Reason being that this market then has sweep the liquidity here, which I don't like. As it has sweep this liquidity, if this market, if this engulfing close like this, so definitely we are going to have a massive sell. I won't lie to you. So the news that we are going to expecting is going to strengthen US. This movement that happened here should come and break this place because there is a pattern in the trading that in this market when the market is creating higher higher low, higher low, higher low. So I think at the risk what's it called? I risk about something like 150p on this trade. Are you getting my point? So, but what I'm actually explaining here is that now he has already swept this place now, which is showing me done it here. Are you getting my point? and we are on bullish momentum. So the buy I took is more than maybe I took a wrong market or two. You still always have what your own losing trade. So if this candlestick can close like this, I think the market is going to sell. It's going to, as in the market is going to sell. It's going to sell. So we already have the high here. You can see it stripped this liquidity here. Not this is not a break or something. This is a strip of liquidity. So let's just stay on this session. We can have a live session. So forget the one I sent into the Telegram channel. Forget about that. So let's stay on this session. Let's see if we are going to have a setup. Are you getting my point? Have you taken the one I sent in the Telegram channel? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just let me know that the comment section that you can hear me because I'm having a network fluctuation here. If you can hear me, let me know that you can hear me. Just tell me that. Just say hi, I can hear you. Okay, all right, no problem. So the trade I sent into the Telegram channel, have you taken it? The trade I sent into Telegram channel, have you taken the as in, did you take the trade? Okay, all right, no problem. Just hold on taking that trade. Don't take the trade yet. You get my point. Don't take it yet. Let's wait for this live. Let's because this market is going to sell. I was going to say he has already swept that liquidity of where I said I expect the market to sweep. He has already swept it. So since he has swept buyer side liquidity, so as in the seller side liquidity, I mean, so it's going to sell. It's going to sell. It's going to sell. So let's just hold on this live session. We are going to have a trade. I'm very sorry we couldn't even do the way like the way we did yesterday because there's no light in my place for me to entertain you with song. I get observe market. But with this thing I'm saying, pushing as in without engulfing, I see market pushing down. So the news that the US is waiting for, you should be able to strengthen USD with this technical. So I'm expecting to push the market down. So let's just hold on, let's just hold on, let's just hold on. The news will be coming out by 1:30. That's the retail sales news. So it is coming by 1:30. Yes, ma'am. It's not that you observe, ma'am. We are still holding on. We are still holding on. We are still holding on. Let's just stay. Let's just stay. And I want to ask you something. What's it called? Ayobola, That your funded account, are you in profit or you're in drawdown? Are you in profit or you are in drawdown?
Reflection.
No, no, no. Which one is this? Okay, that's very good. So which prop firm are you using? Which prop firm are you using? No, I know funded account. Which prop firm? Is he funded Nest? Is he funded PIP? Or which one? Which prop firm? Okay, your personal account. Okay. Okay, your personal account on the XNest. Okay. All right, no problem. Do you know that there's what was it called? Okay, let me know. As in, do you know that there are some better broker than SNES? I'm saying, let's just be ready here. Do you know that there are some better broker than SNES? SNES is a very good broker. They even happen to be the number one in Nigeria here. But to be sincere with you, I can tell you that there's better broker than XNES. Even the what's it called? All those our idolo, our basically the big trader, they affiliate with XNES, but they are not trading on XNES account. I can tell you the fact. I can tell you that as a fact. Be due to some reasons. I know the reasons, but it's not something me I don't like talking about in spoiling another broker business. Shaking my point. But if you are enjoying it and you have not had any bad experience with them, so you can still also keep going. But at the same time, you have to also be exploring your way out in the market. Are you getting my point? You have to be exploring your way out in the market. I use SNES too because even I've already traded on the account that the level that I can use unlimited leverage for you to know how far I've gone with SNES. I can use unlimited, but I stopped using them due to some particular reasons I saw on the platform. So I saw those in the reasons. That's when I stopped trading them. Let me which the brokers that are better. Let me tell you one as in what was it called? One of the ways for you to see a better broker as a for a trader. Essence has already made their name. Even if you leave Essence today, they will not know that someone leave their platform. So that's when they have something they are doing on their platform. So because they don't care about trader anymore, they already have a lot of traders on their platform. But you see, also new broker that want to dominate, that want to overtake Essence, they are offering a lot of benefit, which Essence is not offering to a lot of traders. Are you getting my point? So it's not about being even offering welcome bonus. The spread, I know about Profem as in what's it called? A broker that have a tighter spread than SNES. Tighter spread than SNES. The only challenge with every all those one is that maybe their withdrawal time. SNES is within 2 minutes, even maximum of 5 minutes, you already as in receive your money from SNES. But some other broker you might spend like 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on before you get your money. That's it. But the over tighter spread, And when it comes to slippage, you hardly see slippage on the new brokers that are coming in because them wants to improve, they want to attract traders to be in their platform. And there isn't the one I'm even currently using, the way you are trading, the way they are giving you points, that point will mean like a chargeback. A chargeback like okay, if you miss anything, like if you lose your account, you can use that chargeback to start developing yourself. And the more you trade, the more they give you chargeback. I have someone that is my student. That was December last month. He got about 200 something dollar from them from the chargeback. He got about 200 something dollar from them from the chargeback. The first time he got it was around 150. The second time, I think it was around 50 something dollar. More than $200 he got it as a chargeback from them. So there are a lot of benefits on trading on their platform. A lot of benefit. A lot of benefit. So which I actually say, okay, let me be patronizing them because of the benefit they have. Like that chargeback now. If I, my students, okay, no problem, they lose account, I know that there's something needed for them, like to bounce back. They get instead of them to put the money in their own pocket to fund account again. There is something like a point. You can convert that point to money and you start trading again. And there's no restriction on it. Even if you want to withdraw the money instantly, you can withdraw the money instantly. If you don't want to be trading with it, you can withdraw the money instantly. So that point is one of the, so they think about it and they always make sure that the trader are making money, like maybe support with the education content. If you need the mentor, they already have mentor that they pay that you can connect with them. The mentor will not teach you some basic, he will teach you strategy that you have been using to make money in the market. I get my point. You will connect with a mentor that will be teaching you. Withdrawal and transfer market is very fast, very, very fast. But the only problem they have, man, is that they are just working on the naira deposit. So you get my point. Uh they are just uh they are just working on their naira deposit. They only have USDT deposit now. So if you want to deposit through USDT, I think you'll be on the as in, you'll be on a very good advantage. And their withdrawal is very, very fast. Very, very fast. And this trader, yes, that's what I'm saying. So they are very fast because but for now they offer only USDT withdrawal. Maybe just say coin generally. They only offer coin withdrawal for now. Are you getting my point? They only offer coin withdrawal for now. They don't offer what was it called? Wizzy Boy. Oh, Wizzy Boy. I asked you a question inside the WhatsApp group. What happened to your Twitter? Because I can see that your Twitter account was locked. Okay, yesterday when I checked, I found your account locked. What happened? Do you make a wrong comment or anything? Because they just opened my own account too today. Let me know that in the comment section. Maybe you posted something or anything. Let me know. So as I was saying about the 24 markets, they are very good. They offer MT5 account, and if you don't want to be using their platform to trade MT5 to trade, they have their own trading platform which you can be using. And their withdrawal is very fast, but for now they only offer USDT coin withdrawal, not naira, not naira. And I think that will give us advantage at least with the introduction of these tax. So anybody that you are trading with on P2P, you can tell them that okay, you should usually use medical B for as in what's it called, maybe loan or anything as a narration so that the federal government will not see that business money. But if broker pay you directly to your Naira account, I won't lie to you, you will really okay, okay, all right, no problem. Just do it because as they have opened my account, I want us to be mutual very bad as in mutual back on Twitter. I want us to build as in work on building our account. Because there is a place that I told you the last time, there is a time I target for all of us to get our account monetized. So that you also can be making money. When you are making extra money income from Twitter, it will be very cool for you. So trading and other things you are putting in the there won't be pressure on you for those things. You get my point. So let's work on those things and they are very, very important. They are very, very important. So make sure you do those things and just take your time to do those things. So what I'm actually saying, 24 market is very good. Register for an account. You can try them out. Just make a deposit of maybe 30, 20, $50. So you get my point. You can use it to try them out and see the way as in how they operate. So if you are not good, I'm a student, I'm a mentor that always listen to feedback of my students because I care about you. I listen to students. People here can testify to that. If you tell me that okay, this is what you discover, this is what you discover, I will discuss with them. So if they are ready to adjust, as in, we go ahead with them. If they are not ready to adjust, so we move to another broker. They're not the only broker as in assisting. Are you getting my point? So they're not the only broker assisting. So let's know as in, about that. So let's check the chart. Let's check the chart. Let's see what is the chart is actually saying. Let me check for 5 minutes because I don't know why market is pushing up and it start pushing down again. So like I said, market is going to drop. Like what I'm seeing on this chart too for now. The news that is coming out on USD will strengthen the USD.
we strength the USD. So let's just hold on. We are still not trade blindly. We wait for confirmation before we do or before we trade. But as I sweep that liquidity at the top, I've seen something, as in like a drop, because this place here I sweep all the liquidity, as in all the seller liquidity here. So for you to get back to this place, definitely our market want to push up. We just want to use this place as a trap for people in. So let's see what market have for us. Are you getting my point? Let's see what the market have for us. So let me go back to 15 minutes. Let me go back to 15 minutes. If not for this 15 minutes engulfing, I would have said we should use that 5 minute engulfing to enter. But this 15 minute engulfing is very, very strong. Very, very strong. So, and sometimes the momentum of a candle, it really matters in market, because when the momentum of a candle is very high, it shows that the presence of the either the buyer or seller. Are you getting my point? So you need to be extra careful. That's the part of the reason. That's part of the way of studying candlestick in the market. Are you getting my point? So, Wizzy boy and Ayobola, like I said, we chatted in the on the WhatsApp this afternoon. I don't know if you are interested in being a mutual, like my personal student. I have a WhatsApp group I created whereby you will open your social media account, which is a Twitter. We become your mutual friend. We'll be helping each other to grow our account, because the more you grow, the more I grow. And the more I grow, the more I carry you along too to grow. Shey you get? Because everybody, we cannot deny the fact that social media has now become a way, as a work, a full-time job for some people, because they are making a lot of money. Are you getting my point? And like what you told me, I'm very, very impressed with you, Ayobola, because I can see that you know your priority very well. You know how to set a priority. Because you chatted this morning, you told me that you know that before you can become a trader, you need to set as in to have a stable source of income. Yeah, it's very, very good. You hardly that's where most beginners struggle, because they will see forex trading as a way of as in surviving. They will not see it as a way of what? As a way of growing, as in just growing their account. So as in forex trading is not for survivor. It's for people who are ready to grow their account. Are you getting my point? So that's what is for forex trading. So like I told you, you see, the news is coming out positive for USD. Let me check my news platform and let me see what I should be expecting. The news has come out. The news is going to strengthen USD. Yeah, the news is like gold is crazy. So we don't know how gold want to react to the news. It's not a like I told you, it's not a big news like CPI. It's not a job employment this thing. So I don't know how trade want, as in how good want to react to it. But from what I'm seeing technically, I believe gold should also drop. But if this candle still can close bullish candle, so I think the market is going bullish. It's crazy. That's why I told you that sometimes you need to be very calm in the market. If this candle still can close bullish, definitely market gold will buy. Gold will buy, because we can see that he also, as in this week too, has already sweep the liquidity here. So we sweep liquidity here, they sweep liquidity at the top. So we don't really know what they are planning out, but let's just wait. But I know the news came out for US as in to strengthen USD. So but gold, gold is not currency. It might still be something that we may also will see like there will be rate cut with this news as in with this result. So let's just see how this candle will close first. Let's just see how this candle will close. Let us wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. You can see that's why the market is very crazy. You have to There's something you have to do right in the market. You can see they sweep here, and they have not come to sweep this inner zone here too. So, but the only thing that can make this market to go up is because we are on bullish trend. And like I told you, this pattern, there's a pattern this market is playing here that I know I understand it very well. That whenever I see this pattern, see this one drop, this second drop, which is a higher low, this is another higher low. And this market is not take this higher low out of the market. So definitely I will tell you that we are still very bullish in the market. I will tell you that we are still very bullish in the market. If the market will not take this higher low, all this one here, they are liquidity sweep. This is the last at the rate of which has a 4622. If you don't have market to take this place out, we are still very bullish. But when we have this place being taken out, definitely say that was going to say, okay, we are bearish. Let's go bearish. Are you getting my point? So you should understand the market structure very well. This is higher low, this is higher low, this is higher low, and the market is creating the same high instead of higher high. So I'm expecting this movement here. If this candle can close as candle, generally we'll be going up to have what? To have higher high. But if this candle can be rejected to be bearish, to engulf this bullish candle, here, so this place is no longer safe. So we have this place out and sell. Definitely the sell for retracement movement is about to happen. Are you getting my point? So that's it. But me, I don't trade like I told you. Trading against trend is always very hard. Like I don't really like trading against trend. So even like if I enter a buy market and it took me out, I will not even regret it because market is bullish. Market is bullish. I get my but the only thing I can review myself like did I buy from the right zone? That's only where I can review myself on. But market is bullish. Good is bullish. We all know that good is bullish. All time and lower time frame is bullish. But this bearish movement is something like is if you take it and the market take you out, we say you are against trend, you might be blaming yourself. Are you getting my point? So let's just hold on. Let's just hold on. We still have less than 5-10 minutes to go. Let's hold on. That's why market is about patience, not about I know how to do this thing. Market is about patience. Yeah, the news is out. The news is strength USD. The news will strength USD. Strength USD. We are still holding on. Let's see the direction the market want to take us to. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting for that 15 minutes candle to close. Just give me a few minutes. I want to take water. Just give me a few minutes.
Mechanic and jack sales guy.
Tẹ́fẹ́ lo búrẹ́dì yẹn ni. Allow me to go. No, ẹ má worry. Yeah, we are still waiting. We are still on live. We are still waiting. Let's see. We are still waiting. Join me. Yesterday I was drinking, but today. Forest crazy man. So we are still waiting. Let's see what market will do. We are still waiting for market decision. We are still waiting for market decision. This candle is closing in the next 3 minutes.
tó ṣe ọ̀gá mi ṣé pẹ́sì yẹn sì ń ṣe pẹ́sì yẹn sì ń ṣe pẹ́sì yẹn sì ń ṣe wọ́n ti ṣé wà connected ṣá ó wà connected bẹ́ẹ̀ tí bá ṣe tán bẹ́ẹ̀ tí bá ṣe tán tí bá ṣe tán. Can we see what good is actually doing? Can we see what good is actually doing?
If you look at already, let me check every other. Let me check other pair. Let's see what the other pair is are doing. Let me check USD JPY. The only thing about this USDJPY is that it's only sweet for swing trade, not only for scalping or anything. I know some people use it for scalping, but me, I don't know how to trade it for scalping. That's the bitter truth there. I love it for trade as a swing trade. I love it for swing trade. If you want to swing trade, come to USDJPY. You will know that you have a very better trade on it. I don't like it for swing trade at all. As in for scalping trade, I don't like it. The same every currency pairs, I don't like it them. I don't like them for what's it called? For scalping. I don't like them for scalping. See this one now. See this one now. I was expecting it to clear this liquidity rest here, but didn't clear it. That's why we don't have any sell set up there. Adebi has done something like that here. I will have said let's try to grab 100 p francs of him out of the market. Let's go back to our good. Let's go back to our good. Is there anything wrong with my network? Oh, okay. Let me be when as in within the time that we are waiting for setup. Is there anybody that have any question here? Let's attend to. Let's also teach each other about something. And don't forget, was Ayobola. Like I told you, you can fund your 24 markets account with just maybe $30 to $40 or $50. Here, get my point, and try them out. So that you can also give me feedback. I will chat you up on WhatsApp. So we can know how to go. But is there anything you want to learn during the training? Maybe there's something that is confusing you, or there's something you have been looking for someone that will talk about it with you, as in discuss it with you. But you've not seen any trader or any pro trader to talk about it. Let me know today so that we can address that issue. Like I said, the mentorship program has already been decided. So we are going to start by February. I don't know the date yet, but we are having a mentorship program in February. Maybe we are starting in February. Maybe we are going to have it during the February. I will communicate that before end of this month. So I will communicate that. Let me see by next week, so during the weekend, I will communicate that so that we can be having our mentorship program. But one thing then is that to be sincere with you, like Ayobola, you already are qualified for my mentorship program that is coming up. So just make sure you make yourself available. Wizzy boy, you are already so qualified to be my to attend the mentorship program. So now, like what I was saying, is there anything you want me to talk about during this live session? Maybe you have something that it has been confusing you or anything, and you've not seen anybody to talk about it. You can ask any question and let's address it. Yes, like I said, the 24 market is one of the best in the market right now. They want to dominate. They come to Africa to dominate. They are not just here to come and play. Exness has been dominating, and they are coming out from where Exness is. Every platform, every business have their weakness. So they are improving what they are taking what Exness is doing and add their own. Like they are now had their own what Exness is not doing, what Exness is using to frustrate traders in the market. So they are using it to improve themselves. So they are one of the as in currently 24 markets are good. They are very, very good. And you enjoy trading on their platform. If you want to enjoy them, open MT5 account and follow your account. You and give me feedback. I know you will even you will recommend them. I don't just recommend a broker because I'm also a trader. See now, this is my account I'm using to live with you. So I'm not an influencer or anybody. Anything that affects you as a trader will also affect me as a trader. So that's why if I want to partner with a broker or want to fund a broker, I first make research about them. I can show you my SNS account. I have SNS account for a very long time, but I have to migrate from SNS account to this platform because there are some particular reasons I saw with them. So SNS is very very good, and they are here to dominate Africa. They are here to dominate Africa. They are here to dominate Africa. Very soon you'll be hearing them like as we are hearing XNES dominating the forest space. Yeah, I guarantee, as in, I can bet it with you. I can bet that one with you. So they are here, they come to Africa, especially Nigeria, to dominate market. And to dominate market is by empowering market with the tools they need to be profitable. With the right tools they need to be profitable. Not that maybe they just come here to come and be do this. No. They are here to dominate with as a and by empowering trader to dominate market. There are so many benefits they have. When you start trading on them, you will know. And if you want to know a lot of benefits they have, you can DM me on WhatsApp. I will let you know. I will let you know. The only thing, like someone that Ayobola that is using SNES, the only thing that the SNES have that them don't have is unlimited leverage. And you know that limited leverage on SNES too is limited to some particular account. If you're also trading very well and they see your trading volume on SNES on a 24 market, they're ready to do anything for you. They're ready to do anything for you with additional of what they have been offering you to be trading on their platform before. So that's one. Secondly, do you know that unlimited, as in, since SNES introduced unlimited leverage, a lot of people has been blown account because they don't want to practice risk management anymore. Everybody's just looking for flipping of an account to grow $100 to $1,000 and to $10,000 with one trade. And we all know that the trade is not working in that way. Trade is not working in that way. Trade is a place whereby you work hard for anything you want. You work hard for it. And risk management is part of the is one of the as in heart of trading. If you don't know how to practice risk management, definitely you should be getting yourself close to blowing off an account. Are you getting my point? You should be getting yourself close to blowing an account. So risk management is one of the best way you can use to manage an account as in to become a profitable trader in the industry. So why are you rushing yourself to be now using what is it called? To be using unlimited leverage? Because unlimited leverage, I see it as people who are gambling, as in people who are gambling in the market are the one using unlimited leverage. That's how it sounds to me. Are you getting my point? So I can guarantee you, just try them out, and you be the one to give me feedback about them. Like, okay, this is what you discover, this is what you discover. Just try them out. Just fund your account on them. They are very good. I'm also using them. I can't recommend what I'm not using. I can't recommend what I'm not using. And this is their dating platform. They are connected with TradingView. The only thing there about them is that to navigate around their platform like this to do system trade is somehow what's it called complicated for people who are not really a pro. Even me, I'm still exploring my way out. I'm not lying to you. I'm still exploring my way out about everything here, but it's something very, very like it's very easy. Are you getting my point? It's like TradingView, but all their tools and everything is what I don't know how to navigate around there. So, but they are very easy to use. And if you don't want to be using their trading platform, you can use MT5. They have MT5 account. Open an MT5 account and register on it and log into your MT5 app and start trading. And you can be using your trading view to do what to analyze. So it's as simple as that. They give trader flexibility to do as in to do whatever they want. They give trader flexibility to do whatever they want. They don't compel you that you should be using this thing. Is there any question again? Okay, no problem. Ayobola, I'm always available for you. I'm always available. So let me check BTC chart. I expect a book as in a sell on BTC, but it's been a while I checked the chart. Let me check that BTC USD. I don't really put my head on BTC USD, but let me check today. Let me check now. I'm actually expecting a sell on BTC USD. Honestly, I'm actually expecting a sell on BTC USD. Let me see 4 hour because everybody know that I'm a swing trader and I look at the log time. This thing. Let me check daily because I think daily will give me the review of what I really want to see. I think BTC will I think BTC will retest 100,000 back. BTC will retest 100,000 psychology level back. Are you getting my point? Like I say, 100,000 is not maybe is a what's it called? It's a random number. You have as in it's a fixed number. It can be 101, it can be 102, it can be 103, it can be 99. But I just know that 100,000 BTC will retest that 100,000 before you continue the sell. BTC will retest 100,000 before you continue the sell. But I'm expecting BTC to reach 75,000 before you push up to buy again. A long time buy. A long time buy. But for now, I'm still expecting BTC to buy back to $100,000. Do you understand? I will analyze it and send the chat to the Telegram channel. BTC will retest 100,000 back. Will retest 100,000 back. Yeah. You know, there are some numbers in the market that all this market they respect. There are some numbers which is psychology number in the market that all this market they need to respect. Like gold now, a random number like 64, 46, 4650, 466, 47. Their psychology level that when market is even go that going up or coming down, they have to retest that level back. They have to retest that level back. So those levels, we have to be careful when we are trading in the market. Or you have to, when the market is doing a push up, we should always be targeting. Like this trade now, if you want to trade this trade, I will be targeting psychology level, which is 6,650. If I now say I want to go higher, maybe okay, I'm expecting to go to push up higher, I'll be targeting like 6,000, 670. Are you getting my point? But those psychology, because gold is currently at the all-time high, there's no resistance at the top now anymore. So any buy now, the only thing that can push the price down is the psychology level. The psychology level that can push the price down. So that psychology level is where good, because those psychology level is just like as if you also buy an asset. Are you getting my point? You fix your mind that okay, I want to sell this my asset when you get to 6,007. It's not that maybe when you get to 6,105, I want to sell it. No. You say that okay, when you get to 6,000, when you get to 6,001, when you get to 6,150, so those psychology level is a number that people easily think. A lot of traders they can easily think about it. So like this good that is at the all-time high now, that numbers, those psychology numbers, they are very, very critical because they are the big men trader, the big men who are traders, those psychology numbers is where they put their own, like they want to be booking profit. Because as gold is buying, in us too, as the people that have been buying, they are also still booking profit. Like, okay, well, me have already made a lot of profit on this gold. Let me sell. But they are targeting psychology number. On the like now, gold is currently 4,006. 4,006 now. Some people will say, okay, once you reach 4,350, sell for me. Once you reach 4,007, sell for me. Once you reach 4,670. So all those kind of psychology number, you have to be careful when you got there. When market reach there, you have to be careful. If you want to do back test now to see how back psychology level work in the market, you will, as I can do it, but because with the session, when we have our mentorship program, we'll be having that kind of back test, we'll be testing them, taking my point. We try the psychology level, everything, we try them out in the market for you to see that this meeting, they are not, what's it called? They are not something that is story. It's always as in, on the chart. It's something that always happen on the chart. Are you getting my point? We will see them by ourselves, but that will be during the mentorship program because we have enough time to spend together. We have enough time to spend together. So, is there any question again? Let me know. Is there any question again? Any question? And don't forget, I want all of you here that are on this session, I want to go and try 24 markets out. Just fund your account with $50. If you have $30, if you have $40, anyone, just fund your account and start trading on their platform. And let's see, just come to me like, okay, Bruce, boss, I discovered this thing on their platform, I discovered this thing on their platform. It's not something good. I'm very, very flexible. And I'm there I don't, when I want to use a broker, I think I've gotten a level like I've understand the market that I can communicate with the owner of the business or maybe the manager that is controller that is in control of the platform. So everything, your feedback is very important. Like every business do. When customer or client give feedback, they work on the feedback. So your feedback too is part of the way they as in they can improve. You get my point? If you want them to improve, is your feedback really matters a lot. But if you don't, you are not training on your platform, how will you give the feedback? If you are the one using, you are the owner of the business. If people are not giving you feedback, this thing is not. How will you improve yourself? You cannot. You are not. You are a consumer, but you can't use everything on the platform. You're getting my point. So just for your account, we know that even me, without you having a feedback of this thing, I know you give me a good feedback because I'm trading them. I'm trading them. I'm trading them. Only God know how many brokers that will, how many accounts that will have been blown today now due to gold in the market now. Only God know how many accounts that will have been lost. But this is the game here. I know some things that I've done here that I'm supposed to have blown my account out, but I will not tell you now. It's a secret. It's a secret. So is there any question again? And if you're on this session and you are still here to get a link, you can go to the comment section. You will see a pin message under the comment section. Click on the link. It will direct you to a page whereby you can register for an account. Just put your name, put your date of birth, and your email. So from there, you proceed to where you can confirm your account. If you have NIN slip or NIN plastic, they accept any one of them. And if it's national passport or driving license, they accept any one of them for you to know that they are regulated in Nigeria to operate. So they are regulated and just confirm. And if you want to fund, they are offering 50% welcome bonus for now. And that bonus is something you can withdraw it anytime, any day. It's withdrawable. So not a fund that will give you that is a fatwa fund. No, you can use it to trade. You can use it to as in after some particular time that you have used it to trade. You can withdraw it if you want to withdraw it. So their bonus is withdrawable. Are you getting my point? So we are still watching out for good. We are still observing what good is actually doing. We are still observing it. So like I told you, the news that came out today is not really a tangible news that can affect my gold movement like that. Gold movement, like buy momentum is very high. So the buyer are really exhausting the sell. They are really exhausting the sell. Unless we have big trader that they also want to book profit, that's when we can have a retracement movement. So like I said, market has already created a pause here, but before I can confirm this pause, like we want to do a retracement back, I have to see this low being taken out, this 50 minutes low. I have to see it being taken out. I have to see it being taken out. So if not, we are still very strong on bullish. We are still very strong on bullish. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section again. Or if you also want me to talk about something that is confusing you on the chart or anything, this is the best time for you to talk about it. Let's talk, let's treat some more things while we are still observing the market. Let's observe, let's talk. I'm still reading the comments. I'm still reading the comments. So don't forget to do the comment section and click on the link to get an account. And this is your first time watching a video on my channel or following me up on this live session, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I come live like this, it's not necessary for you to get a link before you see as you get notified about me being on live. And whenever I upload a video, you'll be for a part of first people to get notified about my video and to watch. Are you getting my point? So if you have any question, you want me to talk about something that is confusing you on the chat or anything, let me know that in the comment section. I'm reading comments. Let me. We still have 1 hour to go. I want to spend time with you guys today. We still have 1 hour to go. So let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Or if you are okay, just type I'm okay under the comment section. Okay, can you hear me now? Like I was saying, I said, what is your vision in trading? Let me know everybody's vision in trading. You know, I've already told you that how to define your vision in trading, financial freedom, all those kind of things. Yeah, normal thing. But what is your vision in trading? Let me know. Can you all hear me? Ayabola, is Visible here? Let me know if Visible is still here. Are you here? Okay. Maybe you just try to adjust your speaker. Okay, okay, okay. So what I'm actually saying is that what is your vision as a trader? Everybody have a vision of starting a trade, as in starting trading. So what is your vision? Let me know. You know, I told you that it's possible for this goods to sell. It's possible for the goods to sell. So let's just hold on. We are still waiting. We are still observing. We are still observing because what it's currently doing now is what I don't understand. This sell momentum is very, very high. Very, very high. And I think goals should be pushed as in should still be able to push it, but let's see. We are still observing because he cleared the buyer seller. This is liquidity here and has already cleared this place too. So let's see what the direction they want to take us to. We are still waiting. Gold is just playing a manipulative something here. He's trying to accumulate order. So he has attracted seller, he take them out, he's attracting, he has already take the buyer to out. So he still want to accumulate order again before he pick a direction. But we are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still on live. If we don't have trade today, that doesn't mean that that's the end of all of it all. Like I told you, patience and discipline is one of the great things you can have. As in, one of the best things you can have as a trader to be a great trader. But I know that this good, the pressure and everything has still not gone down. So the economy, as in what's it called, geopolitical tension has not come down. So, or else the investor want to book profit. Are you getting my point? Or else they want to book profit. So I'm still observing. Okay, now, yeah, that's very good. But do you know that if you have, so chat me up on WhatsApp, we talk about the stability, my plan for this 2026, and if you are ready to pick up and you are ready to follow the full step. Because my major goal for this 2026 is to create a financial stability for my students, for my traders, for my mutual people, and help them to become a profitable trader too. Because those are the two vision I have. These are my two main goals for this 2026. So chat me up on WhatsApp. Let's talk. So for now, let's be observing chat. Let's see what the good is actually doing. Me, I'm inside buy already. I'm inside buy already. So, but if it takes me house, so there's nothing. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. It's part of the game we sign up for. So let's come on. I don't know where I go like this. Oh. Boss man, boss man, boss. I don't know where I go. Oh. That's you go. You can't help me set this thing up. Oh. I don't even know where I enter. Hey, Joe, let me set it up. We the cool, man.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.
So we no longer say.
ẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ máa jáde ó ẹ̀tẹ̀ ó báyìí.
Okay. Bele bye. Martin bye.
ẹ̀tẹ̀ ó
Yes, I do.
ẹ
Sorry, Ayobola. I want to play game.
máa lọ kíkọ̀ ẹ máa rí kíkọ̀ sílẹ̀.
I want to play game. Since God want to be playing with us, so let's use Go to play game. What kind of game do you like to play?
kíkọ̀
Okay. Or everybody on this session, what kind of game do you like to play? Maybe on your free time or when you want to like, okay, you've already done a lot of things, you are stressed, you want to just take away some stress from as in off you. So what do you do? As in, let me know. Me, I like playing game, especially football game. I like playing football game. So let me know what you do. Classic match. See, I'm playing game. By watching movies, okay. I think you told me earlier. So how about you, Easy Boy? Me, I love game. I love game. I love playing football for PES, play football and all those stuff like that. I love playing them. She get my point because it's helping me to at least to always build myself, to build my psychology. When I like this trade, I is playing with my emotion now. Even though I'm live, I would have showed them and start playing it because I'm already on this trade. Instead of my emotion to be attached to that, the what's it called, to the trade I'm taking, because I won't lie to you, nobody always find it as in, nobody can say, okay, I'm ahead emotion because your emotion is running you because you are playing the game of money. And when you are playing the game of money, anything can happen at any time. Are you getting my point? So there's nobody that like to be losing money. And this losing of money is part of the game here. So nobody like to be losing money. So instead of you to be asking yourself the right question and everything, I will just go and play game. Once I play game, as in, I say, okay, no problem. Let me check what the market is doing. As you on a payment with my emotion, I'm looking at the chart now. It's because I'm with you guys and I don't want to leave you guys. That's when I'm doing all these things. If not, I would have even shut down the laptop and just step out, either to go and drink. Is there anybody that drink here? Is there anybody that drink here? I mean Aqualo, not living. Do you Aqualo? Let me know. I want to use Mayu to play us now. That was very good one. Nice one, Ayobola. Nice one. Drinking is not good. I stopped drinking, but if I still go out, I still take like maybe what's it called? What I just take is maybe malt or anything, so just to relax my head. That's what I take. You see now, that 15 minutes I've closed, but it closed as a bullish, bearish engulfing. So I think market is going to drop. This market is going to drop. With this way this market is doing, I think it's going to drop. So I think market is going to drop, but we don't have our confirmation yet, so we can't say due to candlestick that is moving, we are going to take action like that. No, we don't do that yet. Are you getting my point? So we don't have trade today. I know that is there for us to do what? To risk our money. So we don't just risk money blindly here. We can't just risk money blindly. So like I was saying, I don't drink what was it called?
sọ̀rọ̀
I don't drink like what was it called?
mo gbọ́ ní àti mo kì í ní àti ìsọ̀rọ̀ recently.
So I don't drink anymore. The only thing I can do now is that maybe if I want to
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo gbọ́.
these people will beat me no. Who know how to play game? Yeah. Hey. Hey, they don't score me. I know Sabi. I don't they beat me no. See, I know Sabi play this thing again. Let me check. Sorry. Let me check settings. So let's say by 1:30 we are going to head this session. If we don't have trade, she get my point. If you don't have trade by 1:30, we end this session. So if I have a signal, like I always do, I will send it to you in the Telegram channel so that we can also take more trade and this thing. True boy, good people. Shoot. So, Ayabella, once it's 1:30, we are going to end this session. So you can message me on WhatsApp. So let's chat on WhatsApp. But as this goal is doing now, I'm not sure we are going to have trade today. Are you getting my point? But it's nice that we also exercise our brain. Sure, you get my point. It's nice that we exercise our brain. It's nice we exercise our brain.
Close shoe. Now, close shoe.
In fact, it's been a while I play this game. Oh, they don't dey beat me. No, I don't even sabi mark again. I don't even sabi mark again. Ah. I don't know. Ayabella, it's like you come and save me here. Oh. They are beating me already. They are beating me already. Ayabella, can you come and save me? Let me know. Are you with me here? Can you come and save me? Okay. Hey, 2-0. I don't chop this one. Nothing I want talk. Arsenal ni o. Brady bẹ́ẹ̀ náà mi pa. Ilé ìtọ́jú ọkùnrin lè pass. But bí kí ni ìsìn bí ìmọ̀ kódà bí ìmọ̀ máàkì mọ̀. Hey. So you can't save me. Oh yeah, no wahala. Don't worry, I've heard you. Don't worry. We will meet one on one, face to face. You will meet one on one. Let me now see who want to come and save you that day. They're not even giving me breathing space at all. You can see that good. See that idiot good. See that idiot good. You want to be pushing up now. Good now. Energy should come there. Hey. 2-0 ni mo ń jẹ́ o. Ayọ̀bọ́lá, you come and save me. Don't worry, we meet one on one. We meet one on one. As you can't save me now, eh? That day, I will not allow anybody to save you that day.
Ẹ̀lò ṣé kí ló ń ṣe fóònù yín tó kàn pọ̀ jù?
Hey, ẹni tí kárí mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹ̀ẹ́ òkè.
Hey, they won't kill me. Oh. So, Ayabola, like I said earlier, so when I have to set up, I will send it to the Telegram channel. But don't forget, I always remind everybody, risk management is one of the key of you becoming a profitable trader in the industry. So whatever is the signal I send, you don't make sure as you make sure you do a risk management analysis. So you get my point. There's no trade that is guaranteed that it's 100% winning rate. So you get my point. The only thing that we have is that
Ọ̀la ló ń kú lọ bẹ̀ báyìí.
so the only thing we have is that when you do a risk management, at least you'll be able to save your account. Are you getting my point? So save your account, even if I tell you a signal. A signal doesn't mean as in trader market doesn't know experienced trader, doesn't know the strategy, doesn't know if this person is good or this person can enter this market or no, this person that give me signal. Market does not know that. What market understand is that you do the right thing and you apply the risk management. So, and I always tell people, what you can't control is something that you don't need to be care about. You can't control results because you can't say your market is you are the one that can push the market to go up or down. So whatever you can control is out of your control. It's out of you. But whatever you can control is what you should be care about. And what you can control, part of them is your risk management. Because risk management is a place whereby you say, okay, you tell market that, okay, this is how much you want to risk on this trade, and this is what you can do with this market. So you get my point.
Okay.
So risk management is very, very important. There's nothing like you can do without a proper risk management. I always tell my students, risk management is very, very important. It's very, very important. Nothing you can do without it. Because there's no trader that have 100% winning rate. Is the only thing that make everybody survive is what's it called? Is risk management. So make sure you practice risk management. Hey, this guy still lose one on one, bro. This guy still lose one on one. Ẹ wọ́n kó tí kò fẹ́ sọnù. Wàhálà ìgbólógbá sí. So are you hearing me? So don't forget to practice risk management. It's very, very important. So you can be having a signal from anywhere or anything, but with your risk management, I believe that you are going to grow. That's the only way we measure. That's how we measure growth in the trading. Are you getting my point? So that's what I have for you today. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section and let me know. Let me hear from your own aspect of it. Let me hear you. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Yes, thank you. Proper risk management protect capital. Are you getting my point? Protect capital. So that's the only way you can survive market. So that will be all for today. That will be all for today. By next tomorrow, we'll be looking for another topic where we'll be talking about from our own angle of a thing. Are you getting my point? So that will be all for today, because as in, we keep trying, we keep grinding, we keep trying, from our own, and we keep trying as in do what we are meant to do. So it's not left for market to do, as in to give us what we are meant to have. Are you getting my point? But at the same time, we not keep doing what we not stop. So by tomorrow, we'll be meeting by the same time again, which is by 2 p.m. tomorrow. So, like I said, the people I asked them to message me, so they should try to message me. It's very, very important. So, try to message me. It's very, very important, because there's something I want us to do this year. So, my mentorship program is not based on a strategy and everything, teaching forex alone. I want to teach each other how to make money, because to make money in the forex space, there are a lot of ways of making money in the forex space. So, the stability you are looking for, you can also have it in this forex space. I will be teaching people of how to go about it. Are you getting my point? So message me on WhatsApp. So that will be all for today. And please, I will be handing this session now. So when I have a trade, like I said, if I have a signal on the Telegram on the good, I will send it to the Telegram channel. Don't forget to do what. So don't forget. So like I said, please and please, I always emphasize on practicing risk management, because that's the only way we can grow account. So that will be all for today. And don't forget, Ayobami, like I said, and the other person should message me on WhatsApp. So thank you everyone for attending this session. Thank you everyone. Like I said, please let us be, even not only this live, let us be sharing the Telegram channel. Let's be inviting more people to join us, so that we can also be growing. Are you getting my point? So that will be all for today. Like, it's not a waste of time. We don't have trade, but we keep our money. Are you getting my point? So that's like I always say, no trade is part of trade. So thank you everyone. See you again by 2 p.m. tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.